And right after I graduated, I decided to move to China for a year to do a residency in a hospital in Xi'an. Within the first day of being in clinic in China, I was so relieved because National prepared me amazingly. I mean, I knew everything I needed to know that they were doing in China. And once I had, once I was aware of that, it just made me feel very confident in the education I received in America. So I visited many other schools in Illinois, and I fell in love with National immediately after having a tour of the campus and really getting to get a feel for their style of teaching and everything that they had to offer. It was kind of a done deal for me. I really liked the anatomy lab that they offered. No other schools in the country offers that. And I really felt it was important to fuse the Western and Eastern medicine together. Most of our patients are going to have already seen an allopathic or Western doctor, and we need to be educated on what the diagnoses are and what does this mean if somebody's coming in with this condition, and how can we then translate it into a Chinese pattern and treat it appropriately. China, the way that their hospitals are run, it's identical. It's 50% Western medicine, 50% Eastern, and they refer back and forth to each other. And that's within the hospital setting. So hopefully in the future, that's where our hospitals are going to be. The most important thing I learned at National was the clinical experience, I would say. I really liked the way that we had our clinic set up, and I think that we were taught to really take the time to get to know and understand the patient and their condition, and just to properly treat them with respect and compassion. The teachers are fantastic, and they're all from different parts of Asia, so I was able to kind of touch on some Korean acupuncture, Chinese acupuncture, Japanese acupuncture, and really come out of the program where I could integrate my own way of practicing the medicine. I started working at Tribalance in January of this year when I had returned from China. And Tribalance Center is a wellness center where they offer yoga, chiropractic, massage therapy, physical therapy, personal training, and now they're offering acupuncture. And I started off with one treatment room, and slowly but surely I got a second, and now I have a third. I was able to expand very quickly. I work with a fertility clinic. I also work with CrossFit, which is a kind of gym. And just from those two things, I've gotten my business up and running. I'm treating up to 70 patients a week right now. So I would ideally like to be running my own clinic here.